So my name is James, and I currently work as a commercial surveyor with the government, and yeah, so that's what I do on a day-to-day.
Amazing. And tell me how today went.
Well, today has been pretty amazing. I learned quite a lot about lease purchase options and stuff like that, and it was interesting to see Samuel's mum's perspective. She's a little bit different, and it's just yeah, it was just really interesting. It just opened my eyes to purchase lease options, something that I kind of avoided because I was like, I just can't imagine somebody's going to actually accept something like that. So yeah, it was interesting. Yeah.
Amazing. And let's talk about Samuel. Let's talk about the team. How's the energy?
The energy's been amazing. I've been pumped since coming here. I've been struggling to sleep. I come home and I'm just so pumped. I can't wait to go back home and just start properly doing this properly. Like yeah, I'm just very excited to get viewings, do these viewings, find some deals, and potentially co-source with some people. I actually have a deal already secured, so my plan is to try and sell that either today or tomorrow. So.
Excellent. And to someone who's thinking about joining the academy or coming to one of these events, those are on the edge. What would you say?
I think I would strongly encourage it simply because I've just finished my degree in real estate. I've spent 4 years learning about real estate, and the past month since coming on the £1 crash course and coming to this course for the last 4 days, I've learned more here than I have in the last 4 years. The one thing about university is they tell you so much about the problem in the academic side, but they don't really give you a solution on how you can make money for yourself. And there's nothing wrong with university. I managed to get a secure job, but this is going to be able to take me to that next step of getting financially free. So.